Namaste. My name is Raghav Sharma. I am student of class 8th. I am 12 years old. My mother's name is drlaxmi Sharma and my father's name is Dr. Ganesh Kumar Sharma. Here, I have some soap nuts. Soap nuts are humble owned Rita, used by dadis and nanis to wash their hair. I am putting these soap nuts into this sauce. This is pre-soaked soap nuts. Soap nuts have a natural surfactant called saponin. You can see it is raising latches because of natural surfactant called saponin. We are using Rita for around 3 to 4 weeks. The result of using Rita is like this: clean and smooth, clean, soft clothes. It is also washing heavy clothes like towels. For soft clothes, clean. Rita reduces soil pollution and water pollution. Rita is environment friendly and environment friendly. It is good for people who are having skin problems or allergies with detergent. Rita is pocket friendly, easy to use. We can recycle the wastewater of Rita by mopping floors, toilets, etc. I hope I am giving a strong message to the society that using Rita is naturally good and environment friendly. Thank you and have a nice day. मशीन भी दिखा रही हो यार।